Ciao beautiful people and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm so happy to meet you. Just want to say massive thank you so much to the new subscribers that recently joined the channel. You guys are awesome. Today I want to be showing you how I made those two cards which are called double diamond fold cards. There's two separate mechanisms to create those two simple cards. I know it looks complicated, but I can promise you guys it's not, and I hope I will explain clearly, because you know I'm rubbish at explain things. Keep watching the tutorial, guys, and I will see you very soon. Right, guys, so for this card here, which is the first one with the two squares, we need a piece of cardstock that is 11.5 by 5. Okay, so what you do on the short line, you score it at 2.5. I'm just using a white cardstock, so it's easy for you to understand to see the mechanism. Okay, so line alongside there, 2.5, so fold it, okay, just like that. Then also we need on each side, we need to score at 2.5 and then rotate it and 2.5 again. Okay, so you get 4 squares on each corner. That's 2.5 by 2.5. Okay, so we fold this up. And fold it, fold this up, and fold it. Okay, so as you can see here, guys, if I open the card, okay, you get what is like an hexagonal shape, like a diamond shape. Okay, so those two marks here, so the one on the top, you need to mark it at 4.5 and 7. And then I'm going to use a Sharpie. So 4.5 and 7. Okay, and you do the same on the bottom as well. 4.5 and 7. Okay. Then what you guys need to do to get this 2 point here, you fold the card in half, okay, and you measure, you need to find other 2 points, which is 3.5 and 8. Okay, so 3.5 and 8. Okay, and then with your ruler and your scoring line, you will need to score this line there, this line there, this line there, and this line there. Okay, so you get your diamond shape. Okay. Okay, guys, so you mark in there. So I just fold those two lines, and what you do with there's two score lines there. It's like you pinch it inwards, like you do this sort of pinching movement. Okay, so pinch it, and then you get the two squares like that. Okay, I'll show you again. Get the two lines in there, top and bottom, and pinch it inwards, just like that. Okay, so you get the diamonds. Let me show you on the card once again. Okay, so that's what it looks like open. Get the two lines, pinch it inwards. Just don't want to, oh, the butterfly is still wet. Okay, and that's the mechanism. Okay, so what I've done on this card here, guys, I have used the die cut butterfly. I bought this from the works. I've done a whole video from the works, and I will put the link in here, guys, if you want to go and check them out. And all different butterflies with all different sizes and shapes. And throughout this scheme here, I kept white, gold, and black as a main color scheme, and all these beautiful butterflies as the same color in there. I also use from the works this designer paper, which is all black and white. They're part of the collection, the pastel collection. Again, you saw me use this quite a lot of time. And then what I've done, guys, I used the gold Sharpie and I hope the camera will see. I know it's not, see if you can see, this is still a bit wet, the shimmery, but I've went up again and coloured some of the petals, and I've done the same on these flowers here. And I've used some glitter gold paper into, I create another square and sticks on the middle of the diamond there. So when you fold the two sides, that one, you know, that won't be on the way. Simple as that. I really like black, gold and white as a color combination, so really like this one. Okay, very simple. I just shows you once again. So this is the base, that's the template, and then you pinch it inwards and then you get the two diamonds on each side. Okay, guys, for this card here, which is got the double diamond on each side, I have used this prototype here. So this is actually way too long than my card. So you got the two diagonal lines with the two diamonds on each side, which fold inwards in the panel just like that, and then you ended up having 4 corners sticking up, okay, which are those 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, and then you still have your side panel in the middle and the two diamonds on each side. Okay, to do this is extremely easy. Okay, so what you need to do, you need a piece of cardstock that is 11 by 6. Okay, I've used that. Now, going to show you on this paper, because it's the best paper where you can see on this light. Okay, so what you do, guys, you score at 3, 4.5, and 6.5, oops, and 8. Okay, let me just get rid of this. Okay, so you've got this called, let me just get, okay, so you're having this goal line here at 3, these are half 4, this at 6.5, and this is 8. Okay, so what you need to do, guys, you need to get the made to measure half size of the first score line. Okay, so which are so it's 3, so it's 1.5 and 3. Okay, and then you do the diagonal line there. So you just mark the two line, and we do exactly the same. I'm just going to do roughly eyeballing it because I just don't want this video to be very long. Okay, so you start with those two lines there. So this is half and that's half. Okay, and what you do, you're gonna cut those ones, just cut it off. We do it on both sides. Okay, so that's the nice shape that you see there. Okay, so what then you do now, let me just move this rubbish. So this is your front panel. Okay, so this is your way of measure that. Okay, so what you guys do, you need to get a diagonal line from this point here up to what we just cut over there. And you do exactly the same on that side. Okay, so from this side, so from the top corner from the panel on the bottom corner over here, and from the top to the bottom here. Okay, so you ended up with something that looks like this. So that's your front panel, and that is it, guys. So I'll just show you on paper. That's your front panel. So what you do, your straight line you fold in inwards, just like that, and that. Your diagonal lines, you fold them inwards, just like that. Okay, and then you naturally have this sort of shape, and you will simply fold it just like that. So remember this, and this is your template if you guys want to pause it, so you can screenshot it and save it. And then it's very, very simple. That's your diagonal fold. So love, love, love those two cards. Let me just get them back. Let me just clear the floor. One is that, and one, in fact, let me just put it so you guys can see it. Okay, love, love, love those two cards. Favorite, maybe this one, the first one that we've done. I just like the shapes and I like the mechanism as well. I do like this, but I still prefer the one on the left. Right, that's it for today, guys. I hope you liked the video tutorial. If you did, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. If you don't already, please subscribe to the channel. I also have an Instagram account. I will put all the link in the description down below. Please join me over there as well. Have a lovely day. Thank you ever so much for watching, guys, and I will see you very soon.